The F-35 isn't just the most survival combat aircraft ever built, it is also the most versatile. In its fighter role, it can clear the skies of opposing aircraft that threaten US forces. In its strike role, it can precisely destroy a vast array of targets on the ground with dozens of different smart bombs and missiles. Produced by the best global manufacturers, the F-35 offers supportability across different military operations. It's designed to find and destroy the most advanced threat system on the ground and in the air. Over 200 US and international companies contribute to the jet and the training system and strive to deliver effective technologies. The jet can enter defended areas without being seen. The active electronically scanned array radar technology and the ability to carry heavy weapons allow the aircraft to defeat targets at long ranges without being tracked. The jet enters the battle space first, cleans the way for collision forces to operate safely. Integrated sensors and weapon systems give pilots an advantage over enemies. The F-35 has a small radar cross-section, which means it's harder to detect. In air-to-air combat, the pilot can see a threat first and take lethal action. The F-35 creates a greater situational awareness for pilots of what is going on around them. These planes creates a network virtualization of the three-dimensional battlefield around them with all its threats and friendlies revealed. The pilot observes the battlefield through the augmented virtual reality of their helmet and can command not only their own jet but other assets including drones around them into the battle. Basically, the fog of war is rolled back by the F-35, which is a big deal. The jet features advanced electronic warfare capabilities. Pilots can track enemies and disrupt their attacks. They have real-time access to information through advanced avionics. Sensors collect data that is shared with commanders in the air, on the ground, and at the sea. The F-35 can easily find and get well-defended targets. The majority of advanced tasks are possible due to processors that makes 400 billion operations per second. The processor uses switches developed by BAE Systems to detect enemies and provide the pilot with full coverage. The sensor known as electro-optical targeting recommends the target and helps negate the threat. Dear viewers, what is your opinion of F-35? Please comment down below. And don't forget to like and share.